Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Capricorn Cache. In this video I will show you how you can place an order through Biometric. To use the Biometric device you need to install two softwares. When I click on new Biometric option, it will show me the list of devices that we support. I currently have the StarTech device with me, so I will download its driver from here. Once download is completed, we will open the file. We will extract the folder and install both these softwares. Once installation is complete, run the cache solution software and connect your device with the system. Now click on the connect button and the device will pop up. You can find the cache solution software in the downloads option down in the bottom. You have to install this and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.